In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make someone an admin in Slack. This process is quick and straightforward, and by the end of it, you'll be able to manage workspace permissions effectively. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open Slack and navigate to the login page. You may already be familiar with this, but if not, you can easily access Slack through your web browser or the desktop app. It's important to ensure you have the necessary permissions to make these changes, typically granted to current admins or workspace owners. Once you're on the login page, proceed to log in. You have several options here, including using your email, Google account, or Apple ID. Choose the one that suits your setup and preferences best. After entering your credentials, you'll find yourself at the homepage of your Slack account. If you're managing multiple workspaces, it's crucial to select the correct one for which you aim to change a member's role. Now, focus on identifying your desired workspace from the list on the left. When you've selected the correct workspace, look for the downward-facing arrow next to the workspace name in the top left corner. Clicking this will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, move to Tools and Settings, a key area for managing workspace settings. Within this section, you'll see an option labeled Manage Members. Selecting this will direct you to a list of all members currently part of the workspace. As you review the member list, find the specific person you wish to elevate to admin status. When you've located them, look for the ellipsis symbol, often 3 dots, positioned beside their name. By clicking this symbol, a small menu will appear, offering several options. Among these options, click on Change Account Type. This step is crucial as it's where you define their role within the workspace. You'll now be presented with various account roles. Seek out and select the designation Workspace Admin. Selecting this will confer the necessary permissions associated with managing the workspace, such as inviting new members or setting up integrations. Once you've specified the new role as Workspace Admin, it's essential to save your changes to finalize this modification. Locate the Save button, usually found at the bottom of the menu. Click it to ensure the changes are enacted. Just like that, you have successfully promoted a team member to an admin role in your Slack workspace. This role adjustment can enhance the productivity and management capabilities of your workspace. Remember to periodically review member roles to ensure the appropriate distribution of responsibilities. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.